Just a throwback of when I ever first used aloe vera gel on my hair versus now. How time flies. I've done many research on aloe vera. I've tried aloe vera in many ways that work, but today I want to use aloe vera as a shampoo and conditioner. And I hope you stay with me through this journey. My hair is still very moisturized from my last DIY. My hands are so oily. This is what we look like. Our edges are still the same. So let's go and make some aloe vera gel. Have it. I'm so excited for this. My hair is so greasy, and according to the research, they said it works very well on greasy hair. I have my warm water, and I'm going to be using a comb today. Oh, my hair feels like it's swelling, and the shrinkage is more than I used to have. Like when I'm washing my hair doesn't shrink this much. My hair doesn't shrink this much. Like water presses it down, but it's as if water is running out of my hair, as if water can get into my hair. Like this is, my hair definitely feels lighter. Like this is a whole new experience. So it's time to detangle. So we're going to use it now as a detangler. Back to patting. Thank you. 10 minutes later. Now that I have this aloe vera on my hair, it's the only time I have control over this hair. Once I wash this aloe vera off, when this hair is not in these plaits or in twists, I'm going to have a very big problem. So I've had a situation whereby I applied aloe vera on my hair and then left it and rinsed this off. When I was trying to manipulate my hair was just as if it was knotted together. So this is the best way I've learned to do it. So now I'm going to rinse it off, and once I rinse it off, that's how I'm going to leave it till when I'm ready to moisturize my hair, which is not anytime today. Because I'm still going to use aloe vera to moisturize my hair, that is why this plait is very necessary. So it's still going to keep some aloe vera gel in my hair and not just strip everything off. So my hair feels quite clean, but I'm not just going to judge now. Let's see what my hair feels like tomorrow. So I'm not adding any oil or conditioner or anything. I'm just going to walk around with my hair like this.